Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a hawk. If you want to know its full name, it's a red-tailed hawk. So first, we'll need to start drawing his head. So draw a big mountain kind of looking shape. And next, draw one dot, another, and another, making a triangle upside down. Second, do a straight line and try to make it curve a little from the dot, the two dots. Measure by your color marker. How much does it have to go? Next, do a beak shape and then pull it from the other side. Second, draw one of the biggest feathers you can do and do it on the other side. And attach the head like that and that. And then draw it smaller and 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 smaller until it touches. And then do it on the other side. Smaller and smaller and smaller. And it goes smaller and it goes smaller and it goes smaller and it goes smaller and smaller. And then it touches. Now erase some of the parts over here and start doing a little oval looking shape. And then don't attach and draw two big feathers and draw one really big sticking out from the middle. And then connect those ones in. And then draw the feather like that. And then do another feather sticking in the two gaps. And erase it. And then do it more circular. Now we're going to start drawing the eyes. So first, draw a V shape and put it up like a check mark. And pull it down and curve it in. And then cover it on the top. And erase that mark. And then color the eye in. And make a line between the feathers. And then start drawing it all the way down. On both sides. And we're almost done, so let's do some marks up here, which are perfect. His tail needs more detail. So let's pull out one line, put two lines, put two lines, put two lines and lines. And now do one there, and then there, and then there, and then there, there, there. And then start coloring his face up with those feathers. And then now we'll need to go on to the coloring steps. So get your markers, start coloring. Zoom. First color the full bird with this one. Doesn't look like a red-tailed hawk still. We need a little more detail, just like this feather right here I got. Now let's color his beak. Yellow. We did a mistake on the beak, so let's fix it up. There. Now let's color in the eyes. Black. So now we have done a mistake. One more time. Let's do one line. Drowse, 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 drowse. And you can do that on all the feathers. And then after, we're gonna get our paintbrush and start drawing some little whiteness onto the tail. And then start doing these marks all around all the feathers. And that's it for today, guys. So, subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.